Hello everyone, and welcome to my screencast of the process redesign of the nonconformance investigation process through the system BLAMBLAR. This screencast will take us through and explain what change has been implemented and how that change now affects this process. As you all are well aware, a nonconformance can be found anywhere and at any stage within any process. Here we find that Jackie with a Q has found a nonconformance through the creation of a cup process. Someone has placed the handle on the inside of the cup. Jackie with a Q now contacts her engineering team and provides all of the necessary data into the BLAMBLAR system. In previous versions of this process, Jackie with a Q would only be allowed 140 characters to describe her issue. That's not a lot of characters to try and describe any issue to another person. Our change to the process now allows for 350 characters to allow Jackie with a Q and anyone else the ability to write more robust details and information. Now that the engineering team has received this data, and it's much more robust thanks to the 350 character change, the engineering team will investigate the issue. Thanks to the amount of information provided, it looks like the engineering team has already found the problem. Someone has switched the handle button from outside to inside. Now that the problem has been found, a solution can be proposed. The engineering team will then gather all of the information that they found through their investigation, their disposition, and their resolution and place it into the BLAMBLAR system. Previously, the engineers were only allowed to use 140 characters. Now, they are allowed to use 350 characters. This will provide a more robust and detailed investigation, disposition, and resolution. With this change, engineers, both future and present, will be able to learn more from any nonconformance report that has any information attached to it. Thank you very much, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.